The U.S. State Department has announced an additional $10 million in aid to Jamaica as the country intensifies hurricane relief efforts. This brings the total U.S. donation to $22 million, following an earlier contribution of $12 million. Undersecretary for the U.S. Department of State, Jeremy Lewin, made the revelation at a media briefing this afternoon.
Financial commitments are only one side of it. That doesn't include all the military personnel, all the search and rescue, but the financial commitments are very significant and help underscore just how important Jamaica is to the United States and to the Secretary. Jamaican people, like our people, are proud and resilient, and we have every faith that they will rebound quickly and will build back even better. So, with that in mind, we will be here. We will be here tomorrow. We will be here next month. We'll be here for every stage of this recovery.
Meanwhile, speaking at the media briefing, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness expressed gratitude for the assistance from the U.S., but cautioned that Jamaica still has a long road to full recovery.
I know that there are some who will hear these huge figures and believe that it is the extent of the challenge that we face. But I hasten to add that having been hit by a Category 5 hurricane, the damage that has been done to our economy, to our infrastructure, not to mention to the lives of ordinary Jamaicans, housing, their businesses, it is in excess, and we're being very conservative. The damage is between $6 to $8 billion, and we haven't completed our assessment yet. We expect that that figure will look a little bit differently after we have completed the assessment. In fact, it will be probably much more.